In this video, we're going to be going over some coins that sold for a lot of money. You don't want to miss any of these coins and accidentally sell them, because if you find one of these coins, there's a chance that you could be rich. Without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into this video. So up first, we have a 2003 P 10-cent Roosevelt dime. As you can see, this coin looks like it got ran over by a train. This coin was certified by NGC as genuine. This doesn't happen too often where a coin will be mint canceled and it will get out of the mint into the public's hands and certified by a company like this. As you can see, the label right there says mint canceled. So the way this coin was struck, if you flip the coin over on the back, you can see this design of how it was canceled. If your coin has this sort of damage on it, just like this, it could be mint canceled and worth a lot of money. This one little Roosevelt dime sold for $240. Now this 1932 quarter sold for $34,800, and here's exactly why. So this coin was created by PCGS, a mint state 66, and if you look at the coin, you can see that it has what appears to be dirt, but in the reality, it's actually considered to be toning, and toning is a desirable feature on coins that collectors go after when collecting coins. Essentially, what you need to know is the air will oxidize with the metal composition, and it will change the color of the metal, giving it a rare, unique appearance that, again, collectors enjoy collecting. But the biggest reason why this coin sold for so much money is because it's mainly a 1932 quarter, and if you flip the coin over, you can see there's also toning on the back, and if you look in the bottom center of the coin, you will see a small S mint mark. That S mint mark stands for the San Francisco Mint, where this coin was minted. Like I said before, this one was graded by PCGS, a mint state 66, and the highest grade we can get in grading is 70, so this one's getting very close to that 70 grade. So because this one graded so highly and it has the toning, this coin sold for $34,800. If you want to know more about handling coins, grading coins, and the value of your coins, I have a completely free ebook down below. All you got to do is click the link and enter your email address, but you don't really have to do that. Let's just jump into the next coin here. This is a 2006 D 25-cent North Dakota coin graded by PCGS, a mint state 68. With these statehood quarters, mainly the higher the grade, the more money it's going to bring. Now, realize that getting a grade of a 68 is really hard. I don't recommend sending your coins off to get graded unless you know that your coin is going to grade highly, but this coin sold for $3,760. This 10-cent Roosevelt dime sold for $22,325, and here's why. So this is a 1968 10-cent no S coin graded by PCGS, a proof 68. So a few things here. First of all, the biggest thing is this is a proof coin. Now, proof coins are distinguished by the backdrop of the coin. It will look like a mirror. There is a chance that you have a coin that looks to be a proof, but it's actually not. But the biggest reason why this coin sold for so much money is because under the date there should be an S mint mark. So you need to have a coin that's a proof and missing an S mint mark, because it's important to know that the majority of proof coins are minted at the San Francisco Mint. If you have a coin that looks like this, there is a high probability that you just have a Philadelphia minted coin. Most of the time, Philadelphia coins don't have mint marks. That's why it can be a bit confusing, but look for that proof appearance of the coin and a no S mint mark, and you could have a coin with a lot of money, because this coin sold for $22,325. This Jefferson nickel sold for $32,900, and here's why. So this is a 1964 5-cent SMS coin graded by PCGS, a specimen 68 with the full steps on the back. So this is a bit hard to distinguish, but essentially this is a special mint set coin, meaning they minted these coins specifically for a certain run to go out into collectors' hands. These coins were never meant to go out into circulation, so if you find one of these coins, you're going to have a high probability of finding them in a coin collection and not out in circulation. And by circulation, I just mean in your pocket change. And remember, the highest grade we can get in grading is 70. This is only 2 points away from that perfect grade of 70. Also, if you flip the coin over and look in the back center of the coin, you will see those full steps. Now, those full steps are considered to be the highest point on the coin, and they get worn down the quickest. And also, during the minting process, it's hard to strike that area properly, so most of the time the steps on the back are going to be blurry and worn down, but all these things combined allowed this coin to sell for $32,900. Here's a 1914 1-cent coin. Now guys, this coin sold for $100 $126,500. Why? Because of this. Okay, first of all, this coin is from 1914. That's over 100 years old, and it graded at a proof 68 by PCGS. Now, proof coins are very hard to come by on these earlier dated coins, but again, like I said before, they're going to have a different appearance to them. The biggest reason is because this coin graded at a 68, which is so crazy. Also, you can see a little bit of toning on the bottom right there. That's not going to be too much of a factor because it's not that dramatic of toning, but the main reason why this coin sold for so much money is because it's relatively flawless in condition. You can see the coin has no nicks and gashes. The coin just looks phenomenal, and because it graded so highly, it sold for $126,500. If you don't want to miss any more rare coin videos, I recommend looking at that video right now on your screen, clicking on that video, and I will see you guys in the next one.